Understanding rain delay in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in sports and outdoor events, rain delay. It's a common term, but what does it actually mean, and how can we use it in everyday English? Whether you're a language enthusiast or gearing up to watch your favorite sport, understanding this phrase will certainly come in handy. So, let's get started and unpack the meaning of rain delay. A rain delay refers to a temporary halt in an outdoor event, usually a sporting event, due to rain or bad weather conditions. It's a pause that organizers take to ensure the safety of players and spectators, as well as to maintain fair play. Unlike a cancellation, a rain delay doesn't mean the event won't happen. It just means that it's on hold until the weather improves. The term rain delay has its roots in the world of sports, especially in baseball, where games are often postponed due to rain. It's not limited to baseball, though. It can apply to any outdoor event. The concept is simple. If the conditions on the field are not suitable for play, they wait until things clear up. Now that we understand what a rain delay is, let's see how to use it in conversation. The baseball game has been put on a rain delay. Let's hope the skies clear up soon. We were all ready for the concert, but the sudden downpour caused a rain delay. The golf tournament faced several rain delays last season due to unpredictable weather. Notice how the phrase can be applied to different events, not just sports. You might wonder if rain delay can be used outside the context of events. While it's less common, it can be metaphorically used to describe any temporary postponement due to unforeseen circumstances. Let's put our picnic plans on a rain delay until the weather looks better. Our project is on a rain delay until we get the client's feedback. It's helpful to know similar phrases to enrich your vocabulary. Some related terms include weather postponement, hold due to rain, weather delay. These can often be used interchangeably with rain delay. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation sheds some light on the phrase, rain delay, and how you can use it both in the context of sports and more broadly in everyday English. Remember, a rain delay is just a pause, not the end of the game. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and don't let a little language rain cause a delay in your learning journey.